TV for kids.
Wake up, stretch, the sun's in the sky. Rub your eyes and say hi, hi, hi. Out of bed, let's start the day. Brush your teeth, swish the sleep away. Do, 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 da, da, da. Brush, brush time, hurrah, hurrah. Wash your face, feel fresh and bright. Now you're glowing, what a sight. Time to choose what clothes to wear. Something fun or something rare. Zip, zap, zip. Shirt and socks that really fit. Shoes go on, left and right. Tie those laces nice and tight. Stand up tall, do a happy spin. Let's get this school day ready to begin. La la la, twist and twirl. Ready to learn, smart boys and girls. Breakfast time, don't be slow. Fill your tummy before you go. Oats or eggs or fruit that's sweet. A healthy breakfast can't be beat. Chomp, 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 yum, yum, yum. Eat up strong for what's to come. Check your bag, let's not forget. Books and pencils, everything's set. Notebook, homework, crayons too. Don't worry, we'll check it through. Tick tock tick, don't be late. Sit that bag and stand up straight. Lunchbox packed, water, snack. Now you're set, no turning back. Give a smile, you've done your part. School day's here, it's time to start. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Shout out loud, school's for me. I'm ready, I'm steady, my backpack's packed. I've got my lunch and nothing I lack. School is fun and learning is cool. Let's go, off to school. Let's go, walking tall and moving slow.